Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oats cookies in oven. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, and half a cup of packed brown sugar. You will also need 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 large eggs. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, in a large bowl, cream together the softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Slowly add the dry ingredient mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. Then, gently fold in the 1 cup of rolled oats until they are evenly distributed throughout the cookie dough. Using a spoon or a small cookie scoop, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto an ungreased baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake your delicious oat cookies in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges turn a beautiful golden brown. Once baked, remove the baking sheet from the oven and let the cookies cool on the sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them set before you transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade treats. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.